Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect this Bluetooth earphone to this phone. So first of all, to connect this one, first of all we need to turn on this Bluetooth earphone. Now go to settings and now we need to enable the Bluetooth in this device. So here you can see I already enabled the Bluetooth. After this one, tap on this one. So here you can see the available nearby devices, Bluetooth devices you can see here. Now just wait for a few seconds, it is scanning. So here you can see the name of wireless Bluetooth device earphone you can see here. Now we need to pair this earphone to this phone. Tap on this one. Now tap on pair. Yeah, now it is paired. So now we can easily use this earphone to with this device. So simply in this way we can connect the Bluetooth earphone to this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.